My name is Tara Bergener, and this is my Sudoku game. I spent a lot of time trying to create this on Unity, and it just didn't work. So I had to kind of pivot and decided to use pygame instead, which I found much easier to understand. So as far as timing, I didn't have a ton of time because I spent so much time trying to make Unity work. But the functionalities it does have, it does highlight the numbers or the boxes whenever you click on them. That goes for any box. If you try to put a number in that is invalid, it will not work. Like if I try to put 8 here on my keyboard versus if I do 2, that is a valid option because it's not in the square, it's not in the column, it's not in the row. Um, if I hit D, it will reset the board. So if I make a bunch of wrong moves, it'll just reset the board, and then R will clear the board completely. And then again, D will bring it back. Um, and I will just run through the game real quick so you can see the functionality. That's my program.